These are the tools you'll need. The calibration cap is included in the instruments box. If you're missing it, replacement caps are available at sksafety.no. Start in clean, fresh air. Open the calibration menu as follows. Hold the button down and release when 0 OK appears. The instrument is now zeroed in clean air. You can now apply calibration gas. Do this quickly. The menu will close automatically if no gas is detected. MGC Simple Plus matches the gas cylinder values to the preset calibration values. Let the instrument calibrate until it's finished. The instrument is now calibrated. The display shows the next calibration date. Remove the gas and let the instrument purge in fresh air until the readings return to 0 before using it again. The alarm turns off automatically. You can muffle the sound by placing a finger over the speaker while you wait. If calibration fails, the gas in the cylinder may not match the values set in the MGC Simple Plus settings. You can check the expected gas mixture using the GCT IR link and its accompanying software. The gas mix we use: H2S, CO, CH4, O2 and N2. You can find this blend in our web shop at sgsafety.no.